Are you looking for an easy, all-in-one cleaning solution for your facility floors? Introducing the Factory Cat GTR Scrubber and Sweeper Combo. Made right here, in Wisconsin, using 95% locally sourced materials. The Factory Cat GTR features stainless steel exclusively for their hardware, scrub deck and squeegee assembly. With the one-touch operation, a single button lowers the scrub deck, the squeegee, and turns your vacuum on. Then, simply press the pedal to drive and start cleaning. The optional side brooms are turned on or off with a switch on the console. These are useful for clearing debris from walls and racking along aisleways. Headlights are also optional and may be helpful for certain areas of your facility. With transportation available, flexible purchasing or rental options and a full service department readily available, there's no reason not to contact Wisconsin Scrub and Sweep, servicing Milwaukee and Madison and beyond.